Alright guys, sitting here at the Modoc Ferry landing, which is across the river from St. Gen. And anyway, we got the Crimson Duke at 2.5 miles. He's downbound, and hoping he has a large tow. I'm not sure what he's pushing. But anyhow, the Crimson Duke. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe. The Walter Hagstad is, he's just about on the doorstep here, but I've done a video of that rascal before. Unfortunately, we got cloudy skies and not the best lighting. I was hoping it would clear out by now, but not going to happen. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Down here by the Modoc Ferry landing, and this is this stuff wasn't here the last time I was here. What I mean is this barge, and wow, gives you that thing is just ripped wide open. There's actually 2 of them here. Last time I was here, neither one of these barges were here, but it's been a couple years now. Pretty crazy. I got the Crimson Duke up that way at about a mile and a half. So I got to get ready. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Big.
Boat mud hurdle. Hold down hill. Over the hill. Might catch you on one. Okay. By the catalog dock? Okay. That'll be fine. Just give me out. I'll keep you coming for the one whistle. Appreciate you coming in. I got some more gas in the tank there. I'm gonna come ahead on. Okay, that Riley Elizabeth, next one back behind us. Walter Hagstad to that road. Hey, I just talked to that Crimson Duke. I just come ahead on you. I'll be on the one for you just above that catalog dock there, Skipper. Up in there, see you on. Okay, all right, see you here shortly. I'll walk.